In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose a full coverage on Progressive Insurance. If you're shopping for auto insurance, it's helpful to know that full coverage usually means more than just the basic state-required insurance. In most cases, it includes liability coverage, plus collision and comprehensive coverage. The goal is to build a policy that protects both you and your vehicle while still fitting your budget. To get started, head to Progressive and request a quote. You can do this online, through the mobile app, by phone, or with an agent if you prefer a little more guidance. As you go through the quote process, the first thing to focus on is liability coverage. This is the part of your policy that helps pay for damage or injuries you may cause to others. You'll want to select limits that meet your state's minimum requirements at the very least, although many drivers choose higher limits for stronger protection. Next, add collision coverage. This is one of the key pieces people usually mean when they say full coverage. Collision helps pay to repair or replace your vehicle if it's damaged in an accident, no matter who caused the crash. If your car has significant value, this can be especially important. After that, add comprehensive coverage. This protects your vehicle from non-collision damage, such as theft, vandalism, fire, hail, flooding, or even hitting an animal. Together, collision and comprehensive create broader protection for your car than liability alone. Once those coverages are selected, choose your deductibles. Both collision and comprehensive typically come with a deductible, which is the amount you pay out of pocket before insurance helps cover the rest. In general, choosing a higher deductible can lower your monthly premium, but it also means you'll pay more yourself if you need to file a claim. A lower deductible usually means higher monthly costs, but less financial pressure after a covered incident. You can also consider optional coverages depending on your needs. These may include uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage where available, medical payments or personal injury protection if offered in your state, roadside assistance, and rental reimbursement. These options can add convenience and extra